I'm not hungry anymore. I already have it for you.
Look right there. There's another one up there.
Yeah. There's 2 balls and a cucumber and there's a bush. So what's up there then? What are those? Boobs. Boobs. Yes.
Boobs, Alty.
I only see one boob because the bush is covered.
How in the hell
Ashley.
do I meet people like... I'm deleting that part.
Come forward.
Stop it.
Lick the camera. Lick the camera. You don't remember that, do you?
I'm afraid to know. You got a soda. Oh!
Okay, that's it. I'm uncrossing my legs. That light, you can't squish a bag of potato chips.
Don't squish them. Are you torted? Yes.
ADD, blinky light. ADD and blinky light.
Blinky light what?
ADD and blinky light. That was from last night. Tomatoes!
I don't like tomatoes.
Toast. Deflection with the camera. Hell yeah, ah, it's under my ass. You really frost my cookie. I would have loved him in there for that one.
Funny.
It's all wet. It likes it. Put down the tomato. That's the face of ah! I want to. Oh. The camera protects me. It likes me. Oh, there's tomato juice on it. It's not coming off. There have been worse things on me, okay? Than a tomato. Don't even go there. Not you
I was
sick
gonna make a
pervert.
really mean comment, but I'm gonna be nice.
Please share with the class. Tomato.
You have had worse things on you.
Yeah. Get out of here. That poor tomato. What did it ever do to you?